Asuntoskeittiö Jyväskylän rantaportti.
Yeah, so today's night of August 2021. We just got inside the tallest of these hotel floors, Sigma from 2001, but this is Varppaaja 6-deck say, also very nice from 2002, turning 20 years old in next year, 2022. Seal number is H71337, capacity 8 persons, 630 rooms with 5 floors. Well, probably early 2002.
Yeah.
But was it finished in 2002 or 3? Oh,
Yeah.
2002.
Yeah, I think.
And still I believe it is early 2002 because it also has the older Kone logo and the connection alarm.
Yeah.
Although I've seen it even on 2005 Delta station.
Ah, niin.
Yeah. Might be because they have made these connection alarms with the older Kone logo like
Yeah.
in 1999 or something.
Yeah.
And they had so many of those. They could use them up until summarizations
Yeah.
Delta in early 2005.
Spektiit paikkimaissa pitää maintain paikki Kone.
Yeah. But still it is possible it is early 2002.
Yeah.
Because the nearby buildings are 1999, 2001, and also probably older ones, also
Yeah.
a little bit older ones. That's it. Thank you very much for watching. Let's go to the staircase speed.
That's